Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to reduce file size in OBS, allowing for efficient streaming and recording. First, open your OBS settings. Navigate to the Output section, where all crucial options await. Here, you can adjust the output mode. Switch to Advanced for full control over your settings. Next, choose a suitable encoder. Software options reduce file size effectively. Adjust the bitrate, lower it to save space, but be cautious to maintain quality. Finally, explore the recording format options. Choose a format like MP4 for better compression. Always preview your recordings. This ensures your quality meets expectations before uploading. Experiment with different settings. Find the balance that works best for your content and audience. Remember, lower file sizes can enhance user experience without sacrificing quality. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips, subscribe and level up your streaming game. Happy streaming! Let's make every byte count. See you next time for more tutorials and tips.